very early. I'm the first person here, ready to start this trip. Just a few of the items I need to load onto the airplane. All of this down here too.
Still very early, just waiting for my passengers to get here, and I'll check in with you in a few hours. We've just landed in Curacao, but the weather does not look very nice. And your flight attendant doesn't look that great either. It was a long, busy day. This is our hotel. Here's my very uneventful hotel room. Got the bathroom. Nice splashes of color. I checked the shower to make sure that no one was in here. That's how I know about the color. Here I am. Good storage area, except the van is coming to pick us up to go back to the airport in 11 hours. So this is what I'm working with. Last time I was here, I had a great beach view. This time, I don't. That's what I'm working with. And they did leave out a very nice dessert platter, but it's not covered, so I'm not gonna eat it. Hi, my name is Jacqueline. I'm a private jet flight attendant. Welcome back to my YouTube channel where I take you on my layovers and share tips about flight attendant life. So right now, hours from when I checked in with you earlier this morning, I am in Curacao and I'm not here long enough to do anything. As I mentioned, the hotel van is coming in like 11 hours. So we were an almost full flight down here, and tomorrow when we leave, we're taking back a full plane of passengers. So these trips are pretty hectic. I already have catering secured. I brought food down here with me and it's at the FBO. It's just in the refrigerator. So on my really quick layover, I don't have to worry about sourcing catering. I already have catering. So I'm sure I'll be meeting up with the pilots here in a little bit. We're gonna go to dinner. Hopefully I can give you more of a hotel tour. This way it's not like a 45-second vlog on YouTube. Look how cute the little privacy signs are. It's a coconut. I love that. All right, so I did just hear from the pilots and we're gonna meet for dinner in an hour. So I'm gonna go walk around the property and go look at the water while it's still light out because it's freezing back home and I'm on a tropical island and I just want to enjoy it for as much as I can. And my layover is so short, I didn't even bring a dinner outfit for this evening. This is what I wore underneath that blazer that made up my uniform today. So I paired it, can you see, with jeans, and that's what I'm laying over in.
can't believe there's not a single person out here. This is insane. All right, I'm gonna go check out the pool area. I must be here during slow season, or everyone's just drinking and dining now, because there's not anybody really anywhere. So here's my struggle. I wanna go walk on the beach, but I don't wanna deal with the sand and cleaning my shoes and my jeans and all of that before dinner and repacking my suitcase and heading back to the airport in just a few short hours. So I might just sit, enjoy the warm weather and the waves and call it good. Our super adventurous layover has come to an end. We're done with dinner. I'm back in my room and I'm gonna wash my face and go to bed. Not even gonna get 8 hours of sleep tonight. That's okay. So I will talk with you in a few short hours. Good night. Do you hear these fireworks? Let's see if the sun is out yet. Oh no, it is still pitch black outside. All right. Well, good morning again. I know I checked in with you a few hours ago when the fireworks were going off. And up until that point, I was actually sleeping really, really good. And then from 12:17 to 12:19, those fireworks were going off and that pretty much ruined my sleep. It's really early. I'm getting ready to put my uniform on, meet the pilots, and then we're gonna go fly. I meant to take, can you see it, the dessert from last night? Let me turn on the light. I meant to take that out of the room because I didn't want to attract bugs, and I'm shocked that there's not one bug on this plate.